Well, good day, everybody. How y'all doing today? Got something a little bit different on tap today. We're gonna head up to Mansfield, Ontario, and we are gonna go to the Silver Willow Creek Top Chart Challenge. I've never been to this before, but what I've heard, apparently it's supposed to be pretty good. It's supposed to be a pretty good event. So anyway, we're gonna go over and grab ourselves a dirty old Hortons here, and we'll head up. So come along for the ride, and I'm sure it'll be a good time. And of course, you guys know, if you live in Ontario, we got what we call cottage country traffic on the 400 northbound, so I didn't get any footage of it, so it was just so friggin' busy. I said the heck with this. We'll jump off at Highway 88, and we'll take 27 up into Alliston. We'll take 27 to 89, then go into Alliston, I should say. But anyway, we're just kind of cruising up 27 here, and I kind of like this view a bit better. I mean, there's not much traffic around here. I mean, you got pretty much farmers' fields, and you know, I think the country's a lot nicer than driving up the 400 series highway. There's not too much on the 400 series highway anymore because the highway pretty much cut a lot of good farms in half. You don't see good stuff like that going up the 400 series highway. You see nice cornfield and all that. So anyways, up we go, and we'll be hitting Cookstown pretty soon here, so we'll give you an update when we get a little bit further ahead. Oh, friggin' right, boys, there's John Deere. Oh, look at all those tractors. Friggin' sweet. Anyway, we're getting closer and closer all the time here, boys. We got a Dodge in front of us, for frig's sakes. But anyway, trucking we go. Well, guys, we made it up here. We had just a beautiful day. I'm standing in the shade right now. It's nice 24 degrees outside, according to the truck thermometer. Yeah. Nice old Monte Carlo. Nice old cars. My granddad had one of those back in the day. Anyway, look what I found, us tubes. I found some tractors here. Got a nice BN John Deere. Hopefully the camera's coming through alright. Got a John Deere BR. 830 diesel. This would be nice to have. I should convince my uncle to get one of those. Nice big old tractor, 1959 or 1960 that was from. Got a John Deere 720 Wheatland. So that one's cleaned up pretty nice. I'd like to have one of those myself, actually. We got here a John Deere 70 Wheatland diesel. So that's got the pony start motor on it. And here's a John Deere 70 wide front. So we've got one of these down on the farm. I'll show you guys when we go down there. Got us a case tractor there, and we got a John Deere B with a wide front on it. Waiting for paint, I guess. It's supposed to be quite the event they got going on here. I only just walked in the door here, and see, you can see we got something going on back there, so I'll have to go and check that out in a minute. But anyway, I thought I'd videotape these tractors very quick. I guess we'll keep on walking. Look at all the trucks we got here, tubes. Looks like a nice old C10, a couple of C10s. Nice, right? I think that one's been at the Cookstown show once before. I didn't remember seeing that one once. Yeah, another C10 here, 1972. Well, here's another GMC. It's for sale if you guys are interested in buying it. Nice GMC. I'd like to get that camo badge for mine. That'd be pretty cool. Nice old truck.
I would say probably right after that. We're going to do the Dirty Girl run.
You got Predator on the front of this one.
That's right, sir. The Dirty Girl run.
Nice GM truck
They're
there.
going to be going through the mud bog. They're going to be looking for some sort of chicken. Yep, they're running through the mud bog looking for a chicken. And I guess that chicken's full of money.
Nice 4500. See if I can't get me in the.
Just go to the other side.
See the stovepipes on that.
And you'll see the
It's a nice truck. It's what you need for pulling tractors around and whatnot. There's just a ton of trucks here, guys. You won't believe it unless you see it for yourself. This is on July 5th and 6th in Mansfield, Ontario. Got some big rigs over here. International CXT. Just a gorgeous day out here.
Over 160,000 or whatever.
Yeah, it has a couple issues, but
That's a nice truck. I'm not really much into the street truck scene, but if I was, that'd be the one for me. So here's a nice old Chev here. Not even old Chev, rather. It's a later one, but not recent. I think I know whose truck this is. Anyway, there's some monsters over there. We just got a whole ton of old cars here, guys. Aside from lifted trucks, big rigs, farm tractors, there's also a car show. Discovered there's a mud bog here as well. I think there's also a truck pull, but I haven't quite found that just yet. It's a nice place. They got a real nice show here, and I haven't even seen half of it yet. Mustang. The newer one right beside it. Should have cleaned my camera before I came. See all the dust and it makes it hard to see. You got the Corvette Club of Canada here too. A lot of nice rides. Corvettes are a nice car. I'm more into trucks though. Be awesome to swap a Corvette motor into my old GMC. Hey? I'd wake her up a little bit. Anyway, we're walking up a hill here. I don't know if there's anything else on the other side of this fence or not. There's your sign.
That's one of the designated subdivision development areas.
I got a few here. If you're into Corvettes. Look at the ZR1 we got down here. I'd like to have one of those. Alright, you got ourselves some motorcycles here. It's kind of like a motorcycle alley. I'll take a shot down. Kind of nice and shady standing right here. But anyway, let's go see if we can't find some more trucks to look at. There's tons here to look at. shiny big rigs over here. Lots of nice rigs. I like this big blue Peterbilt here. This is a nice truck. That's something like I might like to have if I was a truck driver. Check that out, eh? That'd be nice to haul your farm tracks around with, wouldn't it? Friggin' right it would. Oh, that nice flashy chrome.
We're going to get the Dirty Girl run started in about 5 minutes.
Dirty old GMC.
And again, if you're looking at the stage, it's to the left.
Oh, look at that. It says Kurt's Trucking right on it. There you go.
And right after we do the Dirty Girl run,
Nice blue and white Peterbilt, or Kenworth rather.
The rockers, pin the rockers and front two fenders.
Last chance to register for the Dirty Girl race. Up at the registration trailer at the front.
Oh, here,
Another Kenworth. Peterbilt. Another Peterbilt. There's another look at that blue and white Kenworth. I get that right this time. But anyway, this is a pretty good spot. You can get a good pan around. You see there's just a ton of trucks here. If you like Jeeps, there's Jeeps over there. And look at this over here I found too. 2500 GMC. Looks like it's the same color as my truck is almost. Sweet looking. You must have here's the dyno runs over here. That's pretty cool. Those of you that don't know, a dyno is the dyno measures the torque and horsepower of a vehicle. It doesn't matter what it is, car, truck. They measure it by the way the wheels spin on the drums. Looks like we got a Duramax diesel on there too. Maybe it's not a Duramax. It is, yep. Friggin' sweet, eh? If you guys pick it up.
Cheer them on out there, folks. Come on, let's hear some noise out there. Look at them go. All right, Jason, wait for Madison to give you the sign. When she gives you the sign, away we go. Here we go. Come on, guys, cheer them on out these guys might make it look a little bit easy, but I'll tell you what, there's nothing easy if you don't have 57-inch tires like Jason here.
Just made ruts for the rest of the
And as we find with these smaller vehicles going through there, it won't be quite as easy. Wait for Madison.
Take the roof rack.
Way you go! Cheer them on out there, folks!
Yeah!
Cheer them on! Let's hear some noise out there!
Big case pulling that Jeep out.
Got me stuck in the mud, so it was a good rehearse, and Shannon too missed his word. Richie, he now fears the worst. He stood up his ex-wife, she called him a jerk. Of course, Holden didn't have nothing better to do. Except Reg. The big old 4x100 ride truck. We all thought Loda, we in luck, but he wouldn't come anywhere near us. Mighty neighborly. Mighty neighborly. We used a lot of our backs and a little of our brains. It jacked up the jacks, it snugged up the chains. We all did our very best to refrain from shoving. We put what timber we had underneath the wheels, and we was all out of sand, but managed to steal 2 sacks of the best modern canola seed you ever did see. That ought to give us some traction. The Chev got stuck in the Ford, got stuck in the Chev, I'm stuck when the die showed up. The dog got stuck in the tractor rut, which eventually pulled out the Ford. We spilled genetically modified canola seed that was genetically modified for control of the weeds and for big old yields of margin oil and red hell all over that native prairie soil. Agriculture Canada is definitely going to be looking for us.
All right, everybody wave goodbye to Justin. Everybody wave goodbye to Justin. So our first 2 57-inch tire trucks did stir it up a little bit, as we can see.
Should be a jump for after the first mud dog.
That'd be pretty sick, eh? Hit that fast now.
Otis first.
Good go, man! Cheer them on out there, folks.
Woo!
Come on, cheer him on out there, folks. He's made it through the first part. He's in through the second part.
Yeah.
And he's through and he's headed into the third part. The deep swampy area.
Oh.
Oh, he's give it, Justin, give it!
Damn.
As soon as Madison gives him the flag, then they'll be going. All set, here we go! Come on, folks, cheer them on out there. Give a little inspiration to get it done.
Look at it. Oh, God. Fuck yeah. There you go. Woo!
Give her! Come on, people, let's hear you out there. Cheer them on a little bit. Made it through the first part, into the second. With a 40, yeah, look at him. Now he's into the thick of it all. Oh, he's really in the thick of it all now. That mud's flying up at least 20 feet in the air. And he made it!
Yeah.
Out there, he made it all the way through. Excellent. What's your name? Where are you from? Todd from St. Catharines. And what size tires you got, Todd?
Or what?
35s. Any special modification you got going on?
Not really. Yeah,
for us. Yep.
It's exactly what you need for a competition like this. All right. Sounds good. Something tells me. There he goes. Cheer him on, folks. Come on now. Make some noise out there. Oh, he handled that no problem. Into the second part. Giving her into the third. Oh. Look at him bouncing around everywhere. You all set?
Thought it'd be interesting.
Yeah, we're waiting for the flag, girl. That's all right. Ready? And we go.
Oh.
Number 42 having not too bad of a time of this. Yeah, looks like he's going to get through that no problem. So again, Monster Carlo here is going to be the first contestant that is going to run through the...
Well guys, that was the Silver Willow Creek Lifted Top Truck Challenge 2014. Hope you guys all enjoyed the coverage. It might not be very much, but it gives you a good idea about what was going on. Anyway, I ran out of data space on my phone after about halfway through the mud bog, so I didn't get too much of it, but I got you some. Anyway, like always, if you guys like my videos, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.